Okay, lovely people, this is what happened. We won silver medal with our pork belly. This is crazy. Didn't expect it. All those people look at me strange talking to my phone. But I'm so proud of the whole team. So you must understand that a lot of people are training here for this for years. And we've been training for 3 months. After eating many food, we got fresh from the street coconut bread. It's still warm, hard on the inside, and soft coconut, really good.
Make it gloomy day.
So it's no potion. We eat the fresh meat. Yeah. So you can try.
Can you eat the head?
Somebody, but not me.
What is it, sir?
This one's ankle It's a kind of a vegetable and with some
Fish.
Clam.
Oh, crabs.
Yeah, clam. You see?
So they're beautiful.
Yeah. So in here. Yeah. And then with some salt. It's a spicy salt.
Spicy salt?
Yeah, spicy salt. Okay.
How do you call this dish in Chinese? Onze marinade in de thermobel bij de 2 sterren. Xing choy.
Xun choy is a pickle. It's a pickle vegetable.
Yeah.
It's a pickle vegetable with some fresh pepper.
It's still swimming.
Yeah.
What is this, sir?
It's a beef.
Beef?
Slice, but it's a fresh. Fresh. That means yesterday the cow still alive. Yesterday.
Really?
This
What is that?
The boss here. Cook, yeah.
Chef Pierre.
Chef cook, yeah. You know.
What is it, sir?
It's what they call pan-fried vermicelli.
Yeah, vermicelli.
And
Yeah.
then with the abalone sauce.
Nice.
But it's a fresh abalone.
Fresh abalone, not dried.
Yeah, not dry.
Very nice. Hong Kong hospitality, guys.
Yes.
Bam, 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 bam.